I should have probably had my batteries for the LCD screen be on, but yeah, I kind of didn't anticipate that. Good morning, Vocheros. Today we're gonna work on removing this panel away so I can take care of that hole out and put new plywood on top or on it. But I'm gonna cut little squares up there. You'll see in a minute. Let me just go ahead and remove this stuff. It's out of the way to get it out of the way so I can use the ladder and climb up here. And yes, it's a little hot. It says it's 87 degrees, but it feels more like 100 already, and it's barely 8:43 a.m. So we had that going for today. And I don't think I chose the perfect shirt for today since it's black, and I think black attracts the heat, right? Yeah. If you see me sweating, that's why. It's not because of the job. Well, it's because of the job and I'm doing it, but you get my drift. Excuse me. Okay. Currently I have these screws that I need to remove. Where are they? Like every 4 inches or so. And also up on top. So this is a spot where I'm gonna just cut around it, because like I don't want to interfere with this one. It's stick, or not stick, because it's metal. Sounds hollow. I mean, it is hollow. It doesn't sound that thick. That's what I meant to say. So anywho, this is going to be a big section. I probably need to cover another piece of plywood, or maybe cut a hole, or like a square hole, and then put one but still cover it. I don't know which one's easier. Like, I don't want to replace the whole sheet, you know? I think that would be kind of dumb on my part. So I think it's one of these stars. I might need to take the whole thing to figure out which one it is. So I tell you much, it's kind of hard to do things with just one hand. So this looks like this. Too big. Hopefully it's this one. Nope, that's too big too. Let me just get the appropriate size. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can do this a little bit faster too. Okay, I have the drill. Time to get working. You know, quite looking at this, I don't know how the heck am I gonna do this one. This is just one piece, looks like half of it. And you can see from over there, that's where it ends. And it's just this piece, it's about what? 40 inches? 48 maybe? So it's just a short section. Maybe I should just measure right now from top to bottom to see the length of this. Like just from top to bottom, like I said. I don't know why I'm repeating myself. So let me do that instead. Do measurements, and before I start unbolting things, and then I can see how I'm gonna unscrew this, or how I'm gonna cut this piece, because that's gonna be tough. Especially the way I thought I was going to do it, which was using the circular saw, and I don't think that's going to work on this. Shoot, I didn't anticipate that. The good thing is that I can be recording the whole voice thing. And I won't miss like spend a lot of data recording the audio. The bad thing is you can't really see what I'm doing. So right now I'm measuring top to bottom. Is it 1/4? Back on the tripod. Zoom in. Fixing the aperture. I think it's the aperture. Okay, originally I was using this is this a handsaw? Man, I had it in my head. It went out. So on the other side I was using this. Like it doesn't cut much. But then I said, let's use the crowbar. But that wasn't as effective. And I wish I had one of those little, one of these tools. No, and that will be able to give me enough angle to cut this. But since I don't have one of those, I started using a flat screwdriver. Just like that. It's done. Now I need to measure both points. Oh yeah, I need to clean this crap. And someone over there is getting pissed off. Okay, let me go ahead and measure this, cut the plywood size, and cut the little square out. Oh yeah, she's hungry. Shush, pie hole. I don't know how much they feed her. Maybe half a bucket. How much would you feed a horse? About probably give it a little extra. She has plenty of water. Yeah, she was hungry. That's why she was making all that commotion. Oh man, I should just get the high top. So it was 20. Okay, so 20 right here. Where's my handy dandy? 23/4 is right there. I need 7.5. So right here. 20. And it was 20. What was it? 7/8. Whoa, what size is that? Whoa, whoa. No. 20. 20 right there. Right? And 20 3/4 right. 27/8 on the top. This piece versus the other way. Ah, can't reach it. So from this point, wow, it's raining over here. So this is how much I need to cut on this side. Maybe off a bit. And the other side, let's just measure how long this is. 7.3/8 on the bottom. Alright. 7.5/8 on the top. What is it? 7/8. Let's go 7.5. 7.5 and it's shorter? That's really hard to see. 7.5 and 7.75 on the top. So it goes up to 7. So that's straight, right? So 7.5 we said for the bottom. 7.5, which is no, of course it's not on the right. 7.5 to 7.75 for the top. Seven 3/4 from the top. Okay. I might just cut above the 7. What is it? Nice little square dish. Well, it's not even square dish. Okay, what's this size? You know what? I'm gonna stop video recording. Painful. Time. Where's that? Moment of truth. Let's see if this thing actually fits. Now that I look at that, that thing is crooked compared to what that is. But hey, I took the measurements, so it should fit. Quick note. Use a stick when you're working by yourself. Meaning you can use this stick to hold the plywood up. That way it's not so hard when you're trying to fasten it. And put it somewhere in the middle. goats. Okay, now I'm not even holding it. Well, the stick's doing all the work. Which is good, man, because it's a pain in the butt. Okay. 2 parts. Wow, that thing's hot. So in one piece, one side. Actually, that looks wicked. I wonder if I can use the. Yeah, no, that works. So one side's a little shorter than the other. We'll fix it. Let's see. Here I come to wreck the day. Alright, so right about there. That's because I took good measurements. Changing to iPhone because the camera died on me. So my camera overheated and it shut off and I couldn't record anymore on that. So I changed it to the iPhone now. Yeah, trying to get this done so I can go watch a movie and get away from this heat. At the theaters, of course. Now this is gonna be a little bit of a head twister because I need to push it up. Maybe that was a little high. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. So this one has it right here. just finish off the ones on the top. Let's see. So I have not many. I have, and if I remember how to count, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9. 9. So, well, I have 10, but I need to put one in that corner. So I have 9. So let's take away the 1. Now I have 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. What? See, I forgot how to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have 10. Now I have 9. 1 fell. Anywho, so we'll lunch one here. One right here. And we'll follow these here. And follow this one here. Seemed like the left hand had more power. Oh, it's a lot stronger. I wonder why. So the one in the corner I missed was here. Oh. And I think the wood they used before was a little bit thicker than what I'm using now. But since I didn't even bother to measure the thickness of the wood to use, or the plywood, I just went with the cheapest one because since it's not mine, but I'm trying to protect my things, I went with the cheapest. Now I'm going to use a piece of plywood to cover this hole and this line, so it'll be from top to bottom. And yeah, I think that's it for right now on this piece, right? I still have 2 more pieces. This one I'm going to do in the afternoon, and the other side I might have enough time to do it in the afternoon as well, because like the first one is the trickiest one to put on. Don't ask me why, it's just is. And I need to find a piece of wood. I think I already have the cut off of this to cover this hole. Yep, it's getting there. Then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna cover once I have that side on, right? There's gonna be these holes, these lines. Dust kind of goes in through there. I wanna seal those off, then go around the perimeter and seal those off. But it's a lot of things to say and not many things to do. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and cut the. Oh no, wait.